Okay, let's check this out. In 1994, the average monthly cost of heating was $21.62. In 2004, it went up to $38.23. What will be the cost of service be in the year 2015 if the constant trend of progression continues? This is not a DV problem. You have two units. You got the years and the dollars. Don't worry about anything else, okay? I'll underline the units for you because I know it's kind of hard to read it. Know what are the important units, what aren't important units, so I'll help you out on that. 2 units. It's not a DV, so we're going to need the line. If it's DV, I don't need the line, but this one I do. So, given the fact that X is years and Y is money, we need to find the cost per year. Now, here's the thing. When they start giving me actual year amounts, I want to get all these out of here. All of them. What's the first year you have? That's 0. Now, to find what year that's called, you need to take 2004 minus 1994. So 2004 minus 1994 is 10. So this is 10 years. And then 2015 minus 1994, that's 21 years. So we rename those years. You need to do that, okay? And all those are years. Okay, the cost per year. How much is the cost changing by every year? Yeah, I didn't really say that, so I need to use the y minus y, x minus x. So y is money. So what are my two money amounts? I have $21.62 and $38.23. So 38.23 minus 21.62. Okay, and then the years that go with the 38.23 is 10, and the years that go with 21.62 is 0. So 38.23 minus 21.62 is 16.61. And then 10 minus 0 is 10. Okay, so 16.61 divided by 10. Just put $1.66, okay? Okay, now with that mentioned, now we go to our line. I know I need it because there is a beginning Y amount. I just don't know what it is. So M is $1.66. $1.66 isn't even in the problem, so I'm not going to know where that starts at. So Y equals M times X plus B. Circle Mr. B and write combo. So I could use 0 years with $21.61, okay? 62 cents, sorry. Okay, so Y's dollars, so I'm going to use $21.62 there, okay? The M is that $1.66. And then the X is 0. So 21.62. Now, if I get a product of 0, I don't write that. That's my B. So 21.62. So my equation, $21.62 plus $1.66 every year, so I don't know how many times that happens, equals Y. Okay, now let's look at 21. The 21 is years, so we got to put that in for X. That goes in for X. So 21.62 plus $1.66, and then 21 equals Y. And when I put the number in for X, I just plug it in on the calculator. 21.62 plus $1.66 times 21. $56.48. So 56.48. So go put that down here. Okay, next problem. You got two more, and then you got one problem on this packet. The amount of revenue brought in by states from motor vehicle license increased at a relatively constant rate of $500 million per year from the year 1990 to 2000. In the year 2000, the states brought in $15,099 million in revenue from motor vehicle license. If this trend keeps up, how much revenue will be brought in by the states in 2015? So it says how much revenue, so that's of money. So again, we need to go through these years, cross them all out, and rename them. So the first year, 1990, that's 0. Now I take 2000 minus 1990, and that's 10. So that's going to be 10, okay? There's 2000 again. 2000 needs to be named year number 10, 10 years. And then 2015, I minus 1990. I'm always minusing 1990 from whatever year I have, and that's 25. So 25 years. Okay. All right, so you only have two units that I underlined, years and dollars. Okay. That's X, that's Y, per dollars every year. So this one, they do give me $1 per year. It's 500 million, but just put 500. Okay, just put 500. Don't worry about the million. Okay, so I know I need the line because it's not a direct variation between the two units. So X comma Y, MX, Y. So I have my M. I don't need to do any work to find that. It's 500. But I know I don't have any money before the 500, but I know we had something because I didn't put DV. So Y equals M times X plus B. We know the M's 500. But I need a combo here. Okay, and my combo needs to be a money in years. By the way, let's pick year 10 and 15,099. So 10, 15,099, 10 years, and that's money. Okay. So Y is money, so it's going to be 15,099. And then X is years, so that's 10. So it's going to be 15,099. And then 500 times 10 is 5,000 plus the Mr. B. Now I subtract the 5,000. That's going to be $10,099 equals B. So that's 10,099. Okay. So the equation tells a story. We had $10,099 plus $500 every year. So X, it's actually 500 million, but we'll address a million at the end, equals Y. Okay, so the last number is 25 years. Years X. So we put that in for X. So 10,099 plus 500 times 25 equals Y. So 10,099 plus 500 and then 25. What I got here is sorry, I screwed that up. 10,099 plus 500 and then 25 gives me 22,599. Okay, so that's your answer. Now, since it said million a bunch of times, just put million after that, and there's your answer. Okay. Next one, okay. From the period of 1981 to 2001, the annual household cost of cable service in the U.S. increased at a relatively constant rate of $27.80 per year. In the year 1990, the average cost was $608.20. Find the average cost in the year 2001. So I'm finding the cost. Okay. So I've got money and years. So that's 2 units. Now I got a simple question for you. Is this direct variation? Did I put that up there? No. So we need the line. And then we'll need to write the equation. Okay, so let's go get rid of all these years, okay? All of them. Every time I see a year, cross it out. The earliest year is 1981, that's 0. Then I take 2001 minus 1981, and that's 20, so that's 20 years. Okay, 1990 minus 1981. It's going to be 9 years, okay? And then 2001 minus 1981, I already know that's 20. And all those numbers I put in are years amounts, okay? They're all years. Okay, so that's X, that's Y. We need to have a dollars per year. I can't just say, oh, I don't know it. Now this one we got a dollars per year. We got $27.80, okay? So X comma Y, MX, Y, okay? So my M, I know my M is $27.80. Now, before $27.80, did I have a money amount? Well, no, but I know they were something. I know some people had cable, so to find it, that's why it's not direct variations. We got to take Y equals M times X plus B. Circle the B. Rid of those. M is $27.80. Now, for the Y and X, I need to do combination. So go find a money in a year amount. Well, you can't use $27.80. We've already used that. Well, I see 608.20. That'll work. Because that was for 9 years. Okay, so the Y is going to be 608.20 because Y is money. 608.20 times, and then the X is 9, okay? So 608.20. Then I take $27.80 times 9, and that's 250.2. You always got to times the M and the X plus Mr. B here. Now minus your 250.2. So 608.20 minus 250.2. 358 on the dot, so I got 358. Okay. So 358. So we had 358 of these dollars, okay? I'm going to be adding $27.80 every year so I can put X there because I don't know how many years equals Y. Okay, then the last number is a 20. Remember, that's 20 years. I think years is X, so we put that in for X. 358 plus 27.80, and then I put 20 in for that, okay? Now I just punched it in the calculator, 358 plus 27.80, and then 20, 914. So 914 equals Y. Okay, now on the one you're going to do, let me give you some coaching here. Newspapers and years are your units. You'll need to make the line because it's not direct variation. You know the newspapers per year, you're going to put 11.8, but you don't know where they started at, so Y equals MX plus B. For your combo, use whatever year here and 903. So you need to minus, so that's 0. That's your earliest year. That minus that's 30 years. 1997 minus 1970 is 27 years. and 2000 minus 1970 is 30, okay? So again, I want to use y equals m times x plus b. Combo is going to be 27 years and 903 newspapers. 903 going for y, 27 for x. And at the end, we put the 30 in for x.